And lastly, to my wonderful partner, Jomar. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you've done for me. Your support and encouragement have meant so much to me. And I am so grateful for your love and support. Thank you a million everything you've done. I hope that we can continue to make wonderful memories together. Sana huwag kang magpagod. Huwag kang susuko. Hindi ko man masyadong maiparamdam sa'yo, pero sobrang na-appreciate ko lahat ng effort mo. Saka sa pinakamahalagang tao sa buhay ko. Thank you, thank you.